Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix Google Maps not working, so let's get right into it. I'll be giving you some general troubleshooting tips for both the PC and for the mobile version, so let's get right into it. Now, on PC and both the mobile version as well, you will need to first check your internet connection. So if your internet connection is on and running perfectly, everything should be running perfectly. If it's not, then you should check the reason why your connection is bad, whether it's your internet service provider, whether it's your modem and you just need to restart your router, whether it's other downloads or uploads you might be currently doing that is interfering with the network. Just make sure everything is working smoothly, and that should fix any sort of problems with Google Maps. If you don't have internet at the moment, whenever you do get internet, you can download Maps, which you can use offline, which will then provide you with a solution for Maps to work good enough even without a stable connection. Now, what you should also troubleshoot is you should clear cache both on your app and on your browser. If that doesn't work, try updating either of them or whichever one you're using, and that should also wipe all problems, since your browser might be out of date or your app might be out of date. And if your system is out of date, then you possibly won't be able to use some functionalities of Maps. And that is pretty much all there is to it. It's all just general troubleshooting for browsers, apps, and your internet. There's really nothing else I would like to add, since it's just an app, a very simple one, which shouldn't break on its own. If it does break, you should just reinstall it completely if you're on mobile. And again, if you're on PC, just wiping the cache of your browser should work just as fine. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.